Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trade in with your friend to get Fashion Wave tokens in Heartopia Winter Frost season event. Okay, first you need to click on this interaction menu and select this interaction. And I'm going to sell my Winter Bird info card, for example. Sell it to Azure. And when your friend agreed to help you guys, it will consume your friend's energy by 30. Okay, your friend needs to click on this icon. All right, and my friend just spent 30 energy to help me. And when your friend doing that, guys, I would like to recommend you to give your friends food with 30 energy. So your friend's energy will be automatically restored after helping you to get the Fashion Wave tokens. Okay, now it's time to give my friend a food with at least 30 energy. I'm going to open up my backpack and I'm going to select a food. I'm going to choose this one, guys. And I'm gonna give it to my friend. And okay guys, that's how we can trade in with friends to get Fashion Wave tokens in Heartopia game during Winter Frost season event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.